Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. I got some more bird feeders in the mail to try out. Let's see what they look like. These are seed feeders. Charcoal gray. Extends up. You lock it into place. I think I can get them to use that. They about eat off anything I put out there, really. That's a beige one here. It locks into place. It's pretty cool. I like the little tops on them. I like bird feeders with covers on them. Oh, look here, it's a bigger one here. Okay, extends up too. Locks into place. Yeah, that's a lot bigger right there. I think, I'd say a cardinal will probably get on that. There you go. Yep. I'll get them hung up, get some seed in them, and I'll put some video in at the end of this video. But if you would, hit that like button, please subscribe, and I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for the footage at the end here. Thank you.